In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create your Shrinky Dink keychains. We're going to first start off with a blank piece of paper. We are going to fold this piece of paper in half, just like this, and then we are going to crease our edge. And then we are going to fold this in half again, and once again crease our edge. And when you open the paper back up, there should be 4 different sections for 4 different designs. So your piece of paper should look just like this, and you'll put 1 design in each space. Once you have your designs drawn out, I would draw them out in pencil first, and then I outlined mine in Sharpie, just like you see right here. And then the next step is you are going to get a piece of Shrinky Dink paper, you're going to lay it over top of your designs, and then you are going to trace out these designs using a Sharpie. You have to use a Sharpie, you can't use anything else. So you're going to see that I am just starting to trace out my design, just like this, using my Sharpie. You'll want to do that for all 4 of your designs. So this is just to show you what it will look like once you have your design traced out on your Shrinky Dink paper. Once you have all 4 designs traced out in the Sharpie on the Shrinky Dink paper, then you can go ahead and add in your color. You will be using Sharpies and Sharpies only for adding in the color. Once you have your designs colored in, then you're going to go ahead and cut those out. Use your pair of scissors, and you want to make sure that you give yourself a little bit of an edge around your designs when you're cutting, and you'll see what I mean right here as I'm using my scissors to cut around my design. So the last step is punching a hole in your designs using one of the hole punches. You want to make sure that you are not too close to the top. You want to make sure that you're looking when you go to actually hole punch your design. That way it's not too close to the edge. So you are going to prep your oven. You're going to turn this on. I would give yourself over 10 minutes, and you're going to set it to 300 degrees. Let it warm up for a little bit, and then I will show you next how to put your designs into the oven to shrink. There are little pieces of thick kind of cardboard paper that have foil around them, like over top of them. You're going to lay your Shrinky Dinks on this. You're going to make sure the Sharpie side is up, and then you are going to place them in the oven, and then the shrinking process will happen. And I have included a video right next to this for you to watch, and you can kind of see how quickly they shrink. It doesn't take a very long time. If you are pulling these out of the oven, make sure that you use the pliers just like you see there. These are very, very hot. They will burn you. So the last part is attaching the keychain. I will have keychains available for you, and all you have to do is just fit the keychain through that hole punch that you created, just like this, and then you turn these in for a grade. This is just what not to do. I hole punched this and I got too close to the edge, so as you can see it didn't work, so I had to put another hole punch in to make sure that I was actually able to use this as a keychain. Alright, so now it's your turn to go ahead and start designing your keychains. Remember that you need to turn in 4 designs in total.